Hello everyone, this is Matthew with Juice Technologies, and today we're going to be going over the new sidebar navigation, and we're going to try to do this in under 3 minutes. So first off, I just want to go over the benefits of going to the sidebar navigation, and that's to give you a modernized look and feel to get rid of this Quickbase purple and this navigation screen to your apps and your tables. It's also going to give you improved feature discoverability and reduced clicks. So essentially, you're not going to have to click into your settings gear as much or click into each individual table to find exactly what you're looking for, whether that's a field, table-to-table relationships, forms, reports, whatever that might be for you. And then it's also going to give you a provided consistent look and feel throughout Quickbase as a platform, and I think that's really important for the evolution of Quickbase itself. So to get to the sidebar navigation, you're going to go to hide your name, and then my preferences right under that. You're going to quickly click under navigation, sidebar navigation, and save in the top right. You'll notice that the whole screen will go white and you'll get the new UI built up for you. The first thing I want to show you is this waffle bar menu on the top left. You're going to be able to see apps, pipelines, exchange, solutions if you have enabled, and soon to be many more. You'll also see your recent apps, which I just showed you before was on that top menu bar. Now it's found here on the left in the recent apps over that. Now, if I wanted to go into maybe the lease management app, I can see that sidebar menu is available there. It's no longer found. Those tables are no longer at the top. The app home, the app users used to be found on the left. It's still found on the left, but it can be over here and hidden actually with this pin. So there you go. I can move that over and extend the horizontal view of this page. That's great because Quickbase's new forms allows you to open up a lot of stuff on the right side of the screen. It really allows you to get the most out of the screen. And people were saying, you know, I really wish I had more space. That top bar navigation was pushing everything down. I had to scroll often. So this was all done based off of feedback. Now, if I open that back up, you can see that you can click really easily to within your tables as you always could. But one thing you may notice is this 3 dots on the right, and you can actually see the table settings. And this is going to reduce the number of clicks you need to do to get to the fields, table-to-table relationships, advanced settings, reports and charts, everything I just mentioned before. You can really access it in just 2 clicks. So if I wanted to go see the notifications, subscriptions, reminders for the leases table, I can find it there. This, in my opinion, is more intuitive and keeps up with every other modern platform. I would love to hear your guys' opinion on this in the comments, or if you guys wanted to see something specific with this, please let us know. But just as a note, all of our future videos are going to include this sidebar navigation and no longer that top bar navigation. So we're really excited for this. Quickbase, you did a great job. And if you guys want to learn more, please let us know what you want to see. And you can like and subscribe to our YouTube page for videos coming up. Thanks so much.